Homer slides into the safety inspector role, hopeful instincts clashing with bureaucratic blue tape today. Marge worries, watching safety posters, while Lisa analyzes codes. Bart schemes, and Maggie giggles nearby. Act 1 begins as Homer visits City Hall, meeting Skinner, Mayor Quimby, skeptical bureaucrats there. He cites safety stickers, recalls preschool drills, and accidentally triggers a fire alarm in panic. Meanwhile, Mo notices extra inspectors at the bar, causing nervous laughter and surprise for everyone. Bart bets a prank could derail Homer, but Lisa calibrates safety standards with passion today. Springfield Elementary playground inspections, drawn by Lisa's charts, turn chaotic when janitors misinterpret guidelines dramatically. Homer's earnest dialogue with Mr. Burns mockingly reframes risk assessments as hollow theater to him. Camera sweeps bakery, Kwik-E-Mart, and hospital corridors, establishing common safety threads across Springfield for everyone. Chief Wiggum accidentally misreads an inspection log, misplacing donuts as evidence while Lenny and Carl. Act 2 emerges as safety goals collide with party politics and petty power plays everywhere. Budgets are sliced, forms stapled, and inspectors swapped with soapbox preachers in council chambers tonight. Homer tries to implement simple checks, while Barney volunteers as counterpoint, delivering sarcastic cheers constantly. Marge bakes safety snacks, turning policy into party, inviting town, Principal Skinner considering reforms together. A running gag returns, dough, every time paperwork blocks crossings, causing groans, snickers, and sighs. Lisa collaborates with Professor Frink, tracing safety data through diagrams, while Homer accidentally sips ersatz. Bart rallies graffiti crew, tagging warning slogans around Duff Gardens, Moe's, and the nuclear plant. The town holds a safety festival, including corndog relay race and emptying fire hydrants. Mr. Burns manipulates compliance data to discredit Homer, plotting a quiet elimination from the system. But Chief Wiggum and Eddie realize inconsistencies, snickering at bureaucratic theater while the city breathes. Climaxes collide as safety checklists vanish, crosswalk signals malfunction, and Springfielders improvise to keep living. Homer saves a school bus by directing kids across fake lanes, earning cheering children everywhere. Meanwhile, Lisa convinces Skinner to publish transparent safety reports, gaining reluctant respect from parents-teachers. Homer redeems himself, giving a heartfelt speech about responsibility, repaired pipes, and people working together. Legally, Susie's lemonade stand volunteers as crossing guards, reinforcing community trust in safety for everyone. The mayor concedes, signing off on reforms, while Homer nods, accepting imperfect victory with humility. Closing montage shows family dinners, volunteer fairs, and bumper sticker humor echoing through town tonight. Maggie practices calm, Bart grins at chaos, Lisa files final reports, Marge hosts hugs everywhere. Homer whispers, "Dough, we did it," while the crowd applauds, then showers confetti upon us. Final scene returns to Homer at safety desk, prideful, exhausted, still bumbling, yet trusted forever.